Zach, ladies and gentlemen.
So first of all, I wrote this poem with my poetry club from high school when I first performed on a mic ever, standing next to my best friend, one of my best friends, Avicenna. And I don't care if I win, I've already won. All these paintings.
That's a good winner.
I win.
It seems like the people around me come from these beautiful paintings. Painted with vibrant pictures of the past, painted with bright colors of culture, some even painted with fiestas and traditions. They never got to choose how the canvases were painted, yet they still take pride in it. Like them, I also didn't get to choose how my canvas was, but instead of my picture being colored with tradition and culture, it is blank. A couple drops here and there, guesses of heritage, but the rest is white. Just like my skin, white, blank where there's no color. It should be filled with color and culture accumulative by my ancestors, but there is none. Almost nothing to be proud about, almost even ashamed. My picture can't stand next to my Chicanos and Native American friends. My canvas can't even tell you where I came from. So, I paint my own. I pick colors from different cultures. I choose to listen to the people speak. I become a learner, learning about the culture surrounding me to build my own. I listen, I learn, and I paint. And even though my skin shall always be white, my picture shall be colorful. It could never stand with everyone else's, but it will be so vibrant it could stand on its own and at least be admired. My painting can't tell you where I came from, since it's almost blank, but it will tell you what I choose to come from.